Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your critical thinking sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome to sample paper 1 of class 4 Champions League. In this video we are going to solve each question and I'll explain you each question, so watch it carefully and follow the video. So let's start with the question number 1. Two sisters were born on the same day at the same time in the same year, but they are not twins. How is this possible? A. They are adopted. B. They are part of triplets. C. They were born in different places. D. They are not biologically related. Here the correct answer is option B. They are part of triplets. Why? Because if two sisters are born at the same time and same day, they must be siblings. They are not twins, so there must be more than two children. This situation happens in the case of triplets. Hence they are part of triplets. Our next question is question number 2. If Sarah has 5 red apples and 2 green apples and she eats 1 red apple, how many apples does she need to give away so that the number of red apples is the same as the number of green apples? A1, B2, C3 and D4. Here initially red apples were 5 and green apples were 2. After eating 1 red apple will become 4. So to make red equal to green, 2 must be away, she must give away 2 red apples. So red becomes 2, that is equal to green. This 2, so 4 minus 2, so 2. So 2 and 2 are same. So the correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 3. A cat is hiding in one of the 5 rooms. Every hour the cat moves to the next to it, not skipping any rooms. If the cat starts in room 3, where can the cat not be after 3 hours? So option A says room 1, option B says room 2, option C says room 3 and option D says room 4. So from room 3 the cat can go to room 2 or room 4 in 1 hour. From there it can return to room 3 or move further. Room 1 is 2 steps away and cannot be reached in exactly 2 moves. So the room 1 is impossible and the correct answer is option A. Next question is question number 4. A zookeeper has 12 animals, 3 lions, 4 monkeys and 2 zebras, and the rest are elephants. How many elephants does the zookeeper have? So total animals are 12 and known animals that are 3 lions plus 4 monkeys plus 2 zebras. This equals 9. So 12, that was total animals, minus this 9 animals is equals to 3 elephants. So correct answer is option C. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 5. A farmer has a fox, a chicken and a bag of corn. He needs to cross a river but can only take one item at a time in his boat. If left alone, the fox will eat the chicken and the chicken will eat the corn. What should he do first? A. Take the fox across first. B. Take the chicken across first. C. Take the bag of corn across first. And D. Take nothing across. So here the correct answer is option B. Take the chicken across first. Why? If the fox and chicken are left together, the chicken will be eaten. If chicken and corn are left together, corn will be eaten. So chicken is the most vulnerable item. The farmer must take the chicken first. Our next question is question number 6. A secret code says 1 is A, 2 to B, 3 to C and 26 is Z. What is the word for the code 20, 8, 9, 14 and 11? So here the number represents the position of alphabets. So on 20th number, which alphabets comes? T. On 8th, H comes. On 9th, I comes. On 14th comes N. And on 11th comes K. So it makes THINK. So let's find this in options. Option A says no. Option B, yes. So our correct answer is option B. Next question is question number 7. If all cats are animals and some animals are dogs, which of the following is always true? A. Some cats are dogs. B. All dogs are cats. C. All cats are not dogs. And D. Some animals are not cats. Here the correct answer is option D. Why? Because cats are only one type of animal. Animals include dogs and many others too. So there must be animals that are not cats. Thus option D is always true. Our next question is question number 8. A boy has 3 blue socks and 5 green socks in a drawer. If he picks out socks without looking, what is the minimum number of socks he must take to ensure he gets a pair of the same color? A1, B2, C3 and D4. So the worst case is he picks first socks blue, second sock green, third socks must match one of the first two. So with 3 socks, a matching pair is guaranteed. Hence answer is 3, that is C. Next question is question number 9. A man is facing east at sunrise. His shadow is pointing directly behind him. If he turns 90 degrees to his left, where will his shadow be pointing now? A north, B south, C west or D east. So at sunrise, sun is in the east. Shadow falls west. Turning left from the east means facing north. Shadow remains opposite of the sun, so still toward west. So shadow points west. So our correct answer is option C, that is west. Next question is question number 10. I am a 2-digit number. My 10th digit is 3 more than my 1's digit and my total is 7. What number am I? Option A says 40, option B says 41, option C says 43 and option D says 48. So here the easiest thing is and my total is 7. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So here the number which total is 7 is 43. So our correct answer is option C, that says 43. Next is question number 11. Which of the following pairs does not belong? A. Hot and cold, B. Night and day, C. Up and down, D. Left and right. Here the correct answer is option D. Left and right. Why? Because hot and cold, night and day and up and down are opposites by nature. Left and right are directions, not true opposites. Hence, left and right does not belong in the group. Our next question is question number 12. If you have a 3-liter bottle and a 5-liter bottle, how can you measure exactly 4 liters of water? A. Fill the 3-liter bottle first. B. Fill the 5-liter bottle and pour 3 liters into the 3-liter bottle. C. Guess the amount. And D. Use another bottle. Here the correct answer is option B. Fill the 5-liter bottle and pour 3 liters into the 3-liter bottle. Remaining water is 5 liters in a 2 liter. 2 liter water in 5 liter bottle. Then what you can do is you can pour that 2 liter in a different vase and then you can pour 3 liter that was in the bottle again into the 5 liter bottle. So you will get your 4 liter bottle exactly. Our next question is question number 13. A cat, a rabbit and a turtle are running a race. The rabbit says the cat will win if I don't run my fastest. The turtle says if I win, the rabbit must have fallen asleep. If the rabbit wins, which statement must be true? A. The cat didn't run fast. B. The turtle didn't swim. C. The rabbit ran its fastest. And D. All are true. So here the correct answer is option D. That is, all are true. The cat didn't run fast, the turtle didn't win, and the rabbit ran its fastest. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 14. If all bees disappeared, what might happen first? A. Humans stop eating meat. B. Many flowers stop growing fruit. C. All trees die immediately. And D. Honey production increases. Here, the correct answer is option B. Why? Because bees help in pollination. Without bees, flowers cannot form fruits. This would be the first visible effect. So option B is the correct option. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 15. A triangle has 3 sides, a square has 4 sides, and a pentagon has 5 sides. If the total number of sides of 2 triangles, 1 square, and 3 pentagon is counted, what is the total? A 22, B 25, C 26, and D 28. So 2 triangles, that means 2 into 3, which gives us 6. 1 square gives us 4, and 3 pentagons, that is 3 into 5, gives us 15. So when we add all this, it becomes 25. So our correct answer is option B, that says 25. Question number 16. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? A. Short, B. Small, C. Tall, and D. None. The correct answer is option A. The word short becomes shorter when 2 letters are added, E and R. The meaning becomes smaller in length. This is a classic word riddle. Next question is question 17. A man is taller than his sister, but shorter than his father. Who is the tallest? A. The father, B. The sister, C. The man, and D. Cannot be determined. The correct answer is option A. That is, the father is tallest. Why? Because father is taller than the man. Man is taller than the sister. So father is taller than both. Hence father is the tallest. The next question is question number 18. Find the next number in the sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. What will come next? So this is a Fibonacci sequence. Each number is equals to sum of previous 2. So this 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. So what we have to do here? 8 plus 13. So what is 13 plus 8? This gives us 1, 2. It's 21. So a correct answer is option A. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 19. Which of the following would happen if all snakes disappeared? A. Frogs would increase and insects would decrease. B. Frogs would decrease and insects would increase. C. Both frogs and insects would decrease. And D. Frogs and insects would not change. Here the correct answer is option A. Frogs would increase and insects would decrease. Why? Because snakes eat frogs. Without snakes, frogs increases. Frogs eat insects, so insects decreases. Moving on to the next question is question number 20. Which of the following does not match the others? A. Car, B. Train, C. Tram, and D. Helicopter. So here the odd one out is option D, that is helicopter. Why? Because car, train, and tram travel on land. Helicopter flies in air. So helicopter does not belong in the group. Our next question is question 21. You have a box with 5 pennies, 4 nickels, and 2 dimes. Without looking, how many coins do you need to pick to ensure you get at least one of each type? A. 9, B. 10, C. 12, and D. 15. Worst case, you may pick all pennies and nickels first. That is 5 pennies plus 4 nickels, which equals 9 coins. So still no dime is guaranteed. The 10th coin must be a dime, ensuring all three types. So the correct answer is option B. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 22. A store is offering a buy two get one free deal. If a toy costs rupees 50 each, how much will 9 toys cost? A. Rupees 300, B. Rupees 350, C. Rupees 400 and D. Rupees 450. Here, buy 2 get 1 free means 3 toys for the price of 2. 9 toys is equals to 3 such groups. So, paid toys is equals to 3 into 2, that is 6 toys. So, cost of 6 into 50, which is equals to 300. So, our correct answer is option A, which says 300. Next question is question 23. What will happen if you place an inflated balloon in a freezer? A. It will expand. B. It will burst. C. It will stay the same. And D. It will shrink. Here, the correct answer is option D. Cold air contracts. Air inside the balloon becomes denser and shrinks. So the balloon becomes smaller in size. Hence, it shrinks. The next question is question number 24. 4 people need to cross a narrow bridge at night. They have one flashlight and the bridge can hold at most 2 people at a time. They take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes and 8 minutes to cross individually. When 2 cross together, they must walk at the slower person's pace. What is the minimum time needed for all 4 to cross? A. 15 minutes, B. 17 minutes, C. 18 minutes and D. 19 minutes. Fastest people should return with the flashlight using the optimal strategy minimizing slow crossing. This classic puzzle results in 15 minutes minimum time. Hence, option A is the correct option. Question number 25th. A month has 30 days. Another has 31 days. How many months have 28 days? A. 1, B. 12, C. 11 and D. 8. Here the correct answer is option B. Every month has at least 28 days. Some have more but none have fewer. So all 12 months satisfy the condition. Our next question is question 26th. A clock shows the time as 10:10. How many degrees is the minute hand from the hour hand? A. 115 degrees, B. 60 degrees, C. 120 degrees and D. 100 degrees. So minute hand at 10 minutes. Here's the clock, minute hand at 10 minutes. That is 10 into 6, which is 60 degree. And hour hand at 10:10 is equals to 10 into 30 plus 10 by 60 into 30, which is equals to 305 degree. So the difference is 305 60. It gives approximately 115 degrees. So our correct answer is option A, 115 degrees. The next question is question 27th. Why is it important to think about other people's feelings before we speak? A. To show we are kind and respectful. B. To avoid hurting their feelings. C. To understand their perspective. And D. All of the above. Here the correct answer is option D. Thinking before speaking shows empathy. It prevents emotional harm. It improves communication and respect. All options together are correct. Next question is question number 28. Why do we need to respect differences between people? A. Because everyone is unique and has their own experiences. B. To make everyone agree with us. C. To prove we are better than others. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Because everyone is unique and has their own experiences. People have different backgrounds and thoughts. Respecting differences promotes harmony. It helps society function peacefully. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 29. Identify the antonym of optimistic. A. Cheerful, B. Realistic, C hopeful, and D pessimistic. Here the correct answer is option D, that is pessimistic. Why? Because optimistic means expecting positive outcomes and pessimistic means expecting negative outcomes. They are exactly opposites. The next question is question number 30. If 5 pens cost as much as 3 notebooks and 2 notebooks cost $10, how much does 1 pen cost? A. $1, B. $2, C. $3, and D. $5. Here, 2 notebooks are $10 and 1 notebook, that means is of $5. 3 notebooks is 3 into 5, which gives us $15, and 5 pens are of the same price, that is $15. So 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. So 1 pen costs $3. So correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 31. Train is to track, whereas boat is to dash. A. Car, B. Dock, C. River, and D. Ocean. Here the correct answer is option C. A train moves on a track. A boat moves on a river. The relation is vehicle and its path. Our next question is question number 32. Why is listening carefully important in a conversation? A. To understand the speaker's feeling and ideas. B. To respond thoughtfully and respectfully. C. To make the other person feel valued. And D. All of the above. Here the correct answer is option D. Listening builds understanding, it improves responses, and it shows respect to the speaker. The next question is question number 33. A doctor gives you 3 pills and tells you to take one every 30 minutes. How long will they last? A. 1 hour 30 minutes, B. 1 hour, C. 2 hours, and D. 30 minutes. The correct answer is option B, that is 1 hour. Why? Because first pill is taken immediately, second after 30 minutes, and third after 1 hour. So pills last 1 hour. Our next question is question number 34. When the mirror is held XY, find the exact mirror image of the given question figure from the answer figures. So let's assume this is the mirror. So our reflection would be something like this. So we need to find something like this, which is in option A, yes, option B, no, option C, no, option D, no. So a correct is 1. So let's find 1. Option A says 2, option B says 4, option C says 3, and option D says 1. So this is a 1 which matches this. So our correct answer is option D. And next question is question 35. A person can fill a tank in 4 hours and drain it in 6 hours. If both actions occur at the same time, how long will it take to fill the tank? A. 8 hours, B. 12 hours, C. 24 hours, and D. 22 hours. Here the correct answer is option B, that is 12 hours. Why? Because filling rate is 1 by 4 tank per hour and draining rate is 1 by 6 tank an hour. So net rate is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, which gives us 1 by 12. So time it is 12 hours. Our next question is question number 36. If the mirror is placed on the line XY, which is this, then identify the correct mirror image of the given question figure from the answer figures. So the B will remain the same, just this big little circle will move upside and this short one will be down. So let's see, all the B's are opposite in 3, 4 and 2, but not in 1. We need something like this and we are getting this in 1. So let's find 1. A says 2, B says 4, C says 3 and D says 1. So our correct answer is option D. Our next question is question number 37. When the mirror is held at XY, find the exact mirror image of the given question figure from the answer figures. So here the image will be something like this and W will obviously remain the same. So let's find this. Option 1 says no, this is wrong. Option 2, yes it can be. Option C, no. And option 4, no. So our correct answer is second one. So option A says 2, B says 4, C says 3 and D says 1. So our correct answer is option A. Next question is question 38. If a person can run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes, how long will it take them to run 12 kilometers at the same speed? A. 48 minutes, B. 60 minutes, C. 72 minutes, and D. 80 minutes. Here the correct answer, let's calculate it. Speed, that is 5 kilometer in 30 minutes, that is equal to 1 kilometer in 6 minutes. So time for 12 kilometer is 12 into 6, which gives us 72 minutes. So our correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 39. Find the missing figure in the series from the given answer figures. So let's find. Here is x, x gone up, so this is going like this. X will now come here, this x will now come here, and this should come something here. So in the next pattern should be something like this, and the x should be here because we are going like this, then this, then this, then this. So let's find this. Option 1, yes it can be. Option 2, yes it can be. Option 3, no. Option 4, no. So let's find another thing, that this sign which is here moves. It was first here, then it came here, then again on the top, then here. So it will be remaining itself here. So this sign will be something like this here, and x will be here. So in option 1 and 2, this sign is here and x is here. We need this only. So the correct answer is the 1. So A says 1, so our correct answer is A. So students, let's move on to the last question, that is question number 40. If the mirror is placed on the line xy, then identify the correct mirror image of the given question figure from the answer figures. So this is the question figure. So the mirror is here, so it will be something like 8 will be same. This will be like this, this, and something like this. So we need this pattern. Option 1, no. Option 2, yes it can be. Option C, no, it cannot be like this. And option 4, no. So our correct answer is second, and option A says 2. So we get 2 here and here. So correct answer is option A. So students, we have completed sample paper 1 with full explanations. So stay confident and all the best. Let's meet in the next paper.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.